ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಶಾಣೆ ಮಂದಿಗೆ. ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಜ್ವರ. ಇವತ್ತ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ರೋಚನ್ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಹಾಯ್. And we are going to talk today on the most awaited and most happening World Test Championship. ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ರೋಚನ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಮಾತು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಕಮಾನ್ ರೋಚನ್.
So the World Test Championship is being held in England, Southampton. So the two teams, India and New Zealand, are facing off in the final of WTC, and
Yes.
very exciting. It will be a very exciting tournament, as it is the last game which is held in England. So actually, before past Corona, before the Corona, so it was going to be held in Lords, one of the iconic stadium in England, but due to Corona and
other logistic issues.
Yes, and other logistic issues, so they have to shift the ground to Southampton.
Correct.
And so
also, when it is going to start, Rochan? I guess it is on June
18th.
Yes?
Yeah, 18th.
June 18th.
Yeah.
Okay, June 18th to June 22nd.
Yes.
So is there any logic behind the choosing June 18th to
No,
June
there is no
18th?
any logic, but it is a coincidence, as Virat Kohli's jersey number is 18 and Williamson jersey number is 22, so 18 to 22. It's like that.
Oh, okay. It is like jersey number of each captain from the each team.
Yes.
Okay, well, when the Test Championship is happening in England, and New Zealand were already qualified for the final, but India-England series, which was a decider, and eventually India won the Test series and they have qualified for the final.
Yes.
Okay, so now let's talk about the most iconic, the first ever ICC World Test Championship, which is going to happen in England between India and New Zealand.
Yes.
And BCCI has announced the playing team
Yes,
for the Test Championship. So can you just discuss on the who have been selected and
I'll check the team. Wait.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I have.
We have a team now. Rochan will read out the names. We'll discuss
So
them.
it's it's starting from 18 June. So the squad goes like this: Rohit Sharma, Shubman Gill, Mayank Agarwal, Cheteshwar Pujara, Virat Kohli captain, Ajinkya Rahane vice captain, Hanuma Vihari, Rishabh Pant, the
Wicket
match
keeper.
winner, and R Ashwin, Ravindra Jadeja, Akshar Patel, Washington Sundar, Jasprit Bumrah, Ishan Sharma, Mohammad Shami, Mohammad Siraj, Shardul Thakur, Umesh Yadav, KL Rahul, subject to fitness clearance,
Yes.
as he got his appendix surgery, and Vidhiman Saha, he also got COVID-19 in the
Yes.
past IPL.
He's a standby wicketkeeper.
So subject to fitness clearance he also. So then the standby players, Abhimanyu Ishwaran, he has performed well in the
Correct.
in the Ranjis and all.
Correct.
So Prasidh Krishna, as we know,
Okay.
and Avesh Khan, this IPL's
Right. Right.
second leading wicket taker,
Okay.
in
So
the race. So Arzan Nagwaswalla.
okay, and Prasidha Krishna also.
Yeah, Prasidh Krishna, I
Yes,
mentioned.
Prasidha Krishna has performed well during the last IPL also and this IPL also,
Yeah,
and
and
eventually
also
he
in
got
the-
selected as a standby. Even though
yeah.
he is traveling, they are all traveling with India team.
Yes.
Though, and there was only a small glitch is there. Prasidha Krishna has got COVID and he tested positive COVID, and he has to get a negative report before boarding.
He will.
Before boarding, he cannot travel alone. Maybe after 2 days, 3 days, not going to happen like that. He has to travel with Indian team, and before he is traveling, he has to bring the negative report and show the fitness. And India, as per my knowledge, and India is traveling on June 2nd to England, and they are all assembling in a biobubble from I think in the last week of this month, May 22nd or May 23rd, and they will be in a biobubble. And June 2nd they are traveling to England. So once they reach England, again there will be a COVID restrictions. They have to be quarantined and lot of things to take.
And then
After every 1 week of
quarantine.
yes. Yes, after 1 week of no quarantine, they will get enough time to practice. Maybe they will get
Four
full
days,
1
yeah.
week, 1 week
4
to
to 5 days.
4 or 5 days. So they will get a practice to use to the conditions. So they cannot travel early also. They cannot because there are a lot of COVID cases are happening, and they have recently halfway through they have finished the IPL, and they have to spend some time with family also because it's a long tour. And after this
final
Test
WTC,
Championship,
then they have the series of England.
yes,
They
there is a 5
going to
test. They
happen
are
in
playing
England
5 tests
itself.
in England.
So it starts
And,
from 4th August to
yes, yes.
14th September.
Again,
So,
they will not come back to India
Yeah,
because
for-
of COVID, lot of restrictions.
Yes.
They will stay for almost 5 weeks in England and complete the test series and come back. So in between that gap, there is a Sri Lanka tour also,
yeah, Sri Lanka.
which India has decided to send the team B, which is again all the capped players only, team B to Sri Lanka. That we will discuss in the next video. First we will discuss about the today's squad. So as far as me is concerned, the test goes like this. They have selected a very composed and good team and taken all areas, do it the opening batsmanship and the middle order and the lower order and the bowlers and couple of all-rounders also. But my only worry is they have
Yes,
left Bhuvneshwar
Bhuvnesh
Kumar.
Kumar, yes.
So I don't know the reason behind it. Not surely on the.
I think because of this, Sri Lanka tour.
No,
I
this
guess
is important.
it's not because of Sri
Rochan,
Lanka tour.
The World Test Championship is important.
Yeah.
Sri Lanka tour is anyway. Even Bhuvneshwar Kumar doesn't go, somebody else can go.
Yeah.
I
guess he needs some
if it is
time.
an injury thing, and it is fine, but it is not an injury, and they have left Bhuvnesh Kumar, then it is a worry because Bhuvneshwar is a natural swing bowler, and obviously he will be very very handy in England pitches. That is number one. Number two, my one more worry is they have left the Hardik Pandya. Hardik Pandya's recent, he is not in form.
He's not in
We
form.
have not, though because they are staying there for 1.5 months, so they're sending this team.
Yeah.
But that would not be the reason why they have left Hardik Pandya.
I guess it's because the T20 World Cup that's coming in December.
Yeah, the T20 World Cup is also there, but poor performance and he is not in a form from
My
last
boss.
1 or 2 months. That is why they have left him. But still, I would recommend that Hardik Pandya would have be in the squad because he's having
But there are many good test players.
good test players.
As he is a hard hitter,
Okay. Good test players, but at the end, when you see, we should have a very good all-rounder in the very good batsman in the middle or lower middle order, and he is a good handy bowler. So he swings the ball, and in England pitches he would be a handy. It is my thought. I don't know what BCCI and what BCCI selectors have chosen. Now
Okay.
Yes.
So let's concentrate on.
let's concentrate on the playing 11.
Yes.
Rochan, according to you, who will be the openers?
I guess Rohit Sharma and Shubman Gill itself. So because they have a very consistency between them, and they have a it's a good pair to bat on in the
Rohit Sharma is anyway going to play.
Yes.
They have a choice between Shubman
Shubman
Gill
Gill
and
and
Mayank
Mayank
Agarwal.
Yeah.
So why not Mayank Agarwal, Rochan?
Mayank Agarwal, in the past IPL, I see some form, but as we compare to the test is way much different than IPL. So he didn't show any good cricket in the in test. So I guess they dropped on Mayank Agarwal. I guess
No, even Shubman Gill's performance was also not very good in the IPL, recent IPL.
but he's a
He is
good
also-
test player. We have seen his
But form,
debut
the
in
current form is carries Rochan, whatever good player, test player, but what current form he is in. Okay, it doesn't mean that if he is a good test player, he should not play in the IPL. He should play in the IPL also. Already he has played 7 matches, not good. But I would recommend rather because he is a less experienced compared to Mayank Agarwal.
Yes, yes.
Shubman Gill is a very very young. I know he is a very good talented boy, but looking at the choice between Mayank Agarwal and Shubman Gill, I would recommend to take Mayank Agarwal. He has got a good experience and he's playing domestic and cricket Mayank Agarwal from last 8 years and having a good knowledge on the opening slot, and he has proven in the previous matches also. So that is what I recommend. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so one down.
One down Cheteshwar Pujara.
One down Chedesh Puja, there is no
Yeah,
choice. He
and next
will go.
Virat Kohli.
Next
captain.
Virat Kohli,
Yeah.
captain of course.
Then Ajinkya Rahane.
Ajinkya Rahane and
And then
Hanum
then there is
Vihari.
then there is a choice over here. I guess Hanum Vihari or Washington Sundar may open at 4.
No, Hanum Vihari is a batsman. We
Hanum
cannot,
Vihari is a batsman, but
No, Hanum Vihari they will not play. Hanum Vihari. Okay, Ajinkya Rahane is anyway vice captain. He would recommend. He is in a good form also.
he'll come at 3.
Then Rishabh Pant is also there.
Rishabh Pant
Then
is-
how many players now?
Jadeja is there.
Yeah.
So
How
we
many
have
players
got
now?
one
Rohit Sharma, Shubman Gill or Mayank Agarwal. Then Cheteshwar Pujara.
Mayank Agarwal may play in the playing.
No, Rahul is also there. KL Rahul.
Yeah, KL Rahul is subject to fitness clearance.
Yeah.
So
We assume that
Yeah,
he will
we
be
assume,
fit.
yeah,
Then
okay.
what next? Okay, let's
We'll see
come.
but
Now,
between Mayank
now
Agarwal.
Rohit Sharma. Let us say Shubman Gill.
Okay.
Then
Cheteshwar Pujara.
Chedesh Pujara, Virat Kohli. Then Ajinkya Rahane. 5 is over now.
5 is over.
Then we have one Rishabh Pant
Rishabh Pant as a
okay keeper.
yeah,
Then we
keeper.
are left with 5.
5. Yeah, 5
Okay,
more.
so R
I guess,
Ashwin,
R
6.
Ashwin. No, Ravindra Jadeja may come.
Ravindra Jadeja, Akshar Patel.
Akshar Patel. R
Then
Ashwin.
Washington Sundar. Then we have see
Yeah.
we have
to take 3 pacers.
okay 3 pacers. Then
So we
in
first
3 pacers we
so
have
6 people are over now.
okay
So
6
now
people.
we've got
Out of 5 we have to see 3
3 pacers,
pacers.
and 2 spinners.
Yes, 3 spinners might be this one also.
Yeah, that's
okay.
yeah.
Then we Jasprit Bumrah anyway will be
Jasprit
there.
Bumrah.
Then,
Ishan Sharma.
Ishan Sharma. Then
And Mohammad
there is a choice
Mohammad-
between
Mohammad Shami.
Mohammad Shami,
And Mohammad Siraj.
Mohammad Siraj, and Shardul Thakur and Umesh Yadav.
Yeah, 4 of them.
4 of them. Then
So
we'll go.
I guess with I go with Mohammad Shami.
Yeah, Shami would be
Shami,
better. Or
yeah.
instead of Ishan Sharma, they may go for Siraj also. Mohammad Siraj
yeah,
also. He is a
Siraj.
good
Good
bowler.
base bowler.
So I would recommend instead of Ishan Sharma is also a good bowler. We cannot because in
Yeah.
England pitches he will be very handy. Okay, we'll go with Jasprit Bumrah, Ishan Sharma
and
and
Mohammad Shami.
Mohammad Shami. Okay. Then out of in another 2 we have choices between R Ashwin, Ravindra Jadeja, Akshar Patel and Washington Sundar.
Yes.
So out of 4 we have to choose 2.
Yes.
Okay. So who is your choice?
I
would go for one spot for Ashwin for sure.
Yes.
Because Ashwin is a very very talented, very thinking
And,
bowler.
and-
He will be very handy and he's a good batsman also. He scored a century in Lords. Remember he scored a century on Lords.
And also
And,
in the recent India versus England series
Also he played very well. So
and
he
also
is a
scored
good
a century again.
scored a century also. He's a good batsman, a dependable batsman. Maybe can score about 30-40 runs in a crucial. That also matters. And he's a very good bowler. So we can go with R Ashwin. Then only one spot out of 3.
Yeah.
Either we have to choose Ravindra Jadeja,
Akshar
Akshar Patel or Washington Sundar. Washington Sundar is also a handy because he is a off spinner England pitches require off spinner. Then Jadeja is
is
not a
even,
very good spin bowler. Not a very good spin bowler. Not a very wrist bowler. But he is a handy batsman also.
Yeah.
So either you forget.
I go with
You forget Akshar Patel. Akshar Patel, but
Akshar
yeah,
Patel.
recent
Recent,
England series. Akshar Patel.
he claimed 27 wickets in just 4 matches.
4 matches. Then we cannot. Yeah, this is a very tough to choose two.
Yeah.
And we have been discussing. So I'll go with Ashwin.
Say your
Instead of
choice.
Jadeja, I can go for Akshar Patel or Jadeja. That is for sure. Washington Sundar anyway he will not get a place. Okay, Washington Sundar is ruled out until somebody is injured and somebody really got hurt or something. Then Washington Sundar will come place. But either these two, I would recommend instead of Jadeja, Akshar Patel may get a chance.
So my choices are Ravindra Jadeja and Ravichandran
Okay,
Ashwin.
I would go for Akshar Patel because he's a good.
Yeah.
But anyway, it is an
No,
Indian
Ravindra
pitches.
Jadeja and Akshar Patel are both left-handers.
Left hand, that is fine. But Akshar Patel is in good form in the recent concluded series. Let's see who will. Then we will make our final 11 that we will post also in this video now. So,
now-
you name it, I will count. Okay.
Rohit Sharma,
Rohit Sharma,
Shubman Gill,
Shubman Gill,
Cheteshwar Pujara,
Cheteshwar Pujara,
Virat
Virat
Kohli,
Kohli,
Ajinkya Rahane,
Ajinkya Rahane,
Rishabh Pant,
Rishabh Pant, no Hanum Vihari,
no Hanum Virari,
Yes.
and R Ashwin,
R Ashwin.
Ravindra Jadeja or Akshar Patel.
Okay, we'll take Ravindra
Okay,
Jadeja
Ravindra Jadeja,
as per you. Then
Jasprit Bumrah,
Bumrah,
Ishant Sharma,
Ishant Sharma,
Mohammad Shami.
Mohammad Shami. 11 are over. Now we have to think of KL Rahul also.
Yeah.
If KL Rahul comes fit, we cannot
Miss
miss him. KL Rahul is a very very good bowler, good batsman,
Correct.
and he is a very very good form also. If we have to drop, if KL Rahul comes in, we have to drop either Shubman Gill or
Yeah, we have to drop Shubman Gill.
Shubman Gill only. Okay, there is no choice because Ajinkya Rahane anyway has to be there in the middle order, has to be
Yeah.
strong. Then we should
I guess there should be a seventh
Then we have to leave one bowler that
we have to
we
leave
cannot
one
offer
bowler.
in
Yeah.
England pitches.
Correct.
In Indian pitches that we can do that,
Yes.
but not on the England pitches. There might be 5 players is required and 3 pacers is also required.
Yes, yes. Correct.
So we should recommendedly go if KL Rahul comes fit. Okay, he is ready to be in playing level. Then we should drop Shubman Gill. That is what I feel.
Correct.
So rest all. This is all about our predictions and our matches how it goes. At the end of the day, we see what happens. We will post whatever we have selected as a playing 11, and you please like, share, and subscribe
this channel.
this channel. And till then, bye bye from RK and bye bye
Signing
from
off, Rochan. Welcome.
bye bye.
Bye. See you.